Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a Instagram styling, the clear folding the chairs. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, they are about like a 16 inches wide and the 16 inches deep. And when we opened it, our seating positions is about like a 29.5 inches tall. And when we just fold it back, it is about almost like a 3 feet tall. And also this unit is pretty decent and strong unit for use, for daily use. And let me try for you. It's one of the true from the warehouse. And when I trying to using the hammer stylings, everything seems good. And I'm almost like 170 pounds for my weight. And when I sitting on there, everything seems good. Pretty nice unit. And that will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.